Hey guys, welcome back to another Mike's Visions. Tonight's video, we're going to do something a little bit different, not mini bike orientated, but it'll still be a fun video as always. So we're going to call this one the Poor Man Lasagna, and I got a little helper tonight.
Hi!
Mason from Mason Universe. So here we go. So first, we take our container and we get ourselves some pizza rolls. Okay, next, let's put some pepperoni on it.
Now we put the sauce on. Ooh.
Now that we got the sauce on, we need to put more pizza rolls on. Now that we got the layer of pizza bites on there, let's put some cheese on. Okay, a little bit more sauce. All right, now let's just put it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes.
Yeah. I'm gonna go record a YouTube video on my phone.
Don't forget to add the cheese. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. This is really good. Poor Man Lasagna. Yeah. Really good. Alright guys, have a good night.